Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mike Figo Developer. So friends, today we will see how to create a login page in Python. So let's start, friends. So friends, first of all, we open our IDLE Python and save the file on the desktop. So friends, after saving the file, first of all, we will give input in the user and enter the username in it. Similarly, friends, we will give input in the password and enter the password in it. Friends, now we will apply if condition, and in this condition, we will input the user's name. After this, friends, we will type print, and in print, we will type correct username or NN under bracket, so that if we input our username correctly, then it will show the correct username. Or bracket, we will close it. Similarly, friends, we will also input the password in the if condition, and in that, we will enter our password. Same, friends, we will put the same condition in the password, and in the print, we will also input password correct in the same way. I will copy it from here, and I will type the password in place of the username here. After this, friends, now we will input the else condition, and in else condition, we will open the bracket by typing print, or inside double quotations, type password, incorrect, try again, letter /n, and close the bracket by typing double quotations so that if we enter our password incorrectly, then it will show us the incorrect password there. Same, friends, we will do the same thing in username as well. We will just type the username here instead of the password and leave the rest as it is. So friends, our program is ready. Now we will run it and see how our login page is created and whether it is running correctly or not. दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसे लाइक करना और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा।
आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी? कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा।